Hello to everybody. My name is Stanislav Itkin, and I'm CEO of project Pzmc. With me, our CTO Maxim, and we will plan to talk with you about our project Pzmc. But I don't speak English very well, and for me, help translator.
Hello.
Let's start.
So the first question, what are your plans regarding the increase of the use case of Pzm? Why would people accept Pzm case? What will be the benefits of using Pzm cache and platform?
Мы планируем, что PZM Cache это будет большая экосистема с большим распространением в самых разных странах и географии. В основном это Азия, Латинская Америка и СНГ во вторичном плане. И это будет интересно в первую очередь для разработчиков, которым будет удобно на прозрачном блокчейне и децентрализированной прозрачной системе создавать свои проекты, которые будут расширять использование применения PZM Cache.
First of all, we are planning to, our plans regarding Pzm are the following. It is going to be quite a vast and big ecosystem, which is going to be widespread. The main countries are Asia, the Latin America, and also CIS countries. It is going to be interesting for technical officers, for the developers who are going to use some transparent system for their developments. The second question. Which plans does Pzmc have in mind regarding engage of Pzmc in other countries?
Как я уже немного сказал в предыдущем ответе, основные рынки, на которые мы планируем выйти в самом начале, это Азия, такие страны, как Китай, Сингапур, Корея, Вьетнам и Латинская Америка, например, Мексика. Также мы будем распространены в странах СНГ, но вторично, то есть это Россия, Украина, Белоруссия, Казахстан.
As I have already answered a bit in the previous answer, the main markets which we are going to cover are going to become Asian market, including China, Singapore, Korea, Vietnam, Latin America, including Mexico, and CIS countries like Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, and so on. The next question. What are your plans for mobile phone users? Can Pzm be staked, or will you make airdrops for the community?
Мобильное приложение мы планируем создать в третьем квартале этого года, так как мобильный трафик и в современном мире это очень важно, потому что в первую очередь это очень удобно. По поводу аирдропов для комьюнити, как знают наши пользователи, мы уже провели один аирдроп, который был сделан на пресейле, где отблагодарили пользователей, которые поверили в наш проект. И я думаю, что такие мероприятия мы будем делать с относительной регулярностью.
Regarding the app for the phone, for the cell phone, we are going to deal with it in the Q3 this year, because actually the mobile traffic is very important. Besides, it's very convenient in today's reality. Regarding airdrops, we have made one airdrop for our community already. During the pre-sale, we have granted our users who believed in us, and we are going to make this regular. The next question. What is the progress of business development and what are some of your commercial partnerships? How does and in which way does Pzm plan to successfully attract investors and traders? What is Pzm's strategy for that?
По поводу глобального плана наших партнеров, ну, из того, что уже знает все комьюнити, к примеру, это, например, партнерство с криптопроцессингом, который работает с вендинговыми аппаратами по всему миру, это iWantPay. Также у нас есть еще некоторые партнерства, которые мы готовим для вас в виде сюрприза, и на данный момент я не могу озвучить все по определенным причинам. Что о вопросе, в чем привлекательность нашей платформы для инвесторов и трейдеров, в white paper нашего проекта написано, что все участники системы, которые проявляют активность, имеют определенную награду.
So regarding our global plans, everybody know, and many people know already that we have already dealt with crypto processor, which deals with vending machines. It's like Ivan Pay. Besides, regarding all other our counterparts, so we are going to make it as a surprise. So we cannot name all of them because of some reasons which everybody knows. And regarding the way to attract investors, we are going to grant rewards, and everybody knows this. The next question. When are you planning to make a listing on the exchange?
В ближайшее время мы планируем несколько листингов, не на одну биржу. Вообще мы планируем, чтобы мы имели по одной локальной бирже на каждом рынке, на который планируем выйти. Ближайший листинг по нашим расчетам должен произойти в этом месяце. Более точную дату мы сможем сказать на нашем официальном YouTube-канале чуть позже.
And it is going to happen soon, and we are going to make several listings, not just to use only one exchange. Actually, according to our plan, we are going to make one local exchange in each country where we're going to enter. And we are planning to do this month, and we will do this, we will voice this and announce this on our official YouTube channel, and we will do this a little bit later. The next question. What is your global plan for the development of the platform during the following years?
Как я уже, наверное, говорил в первом ответе на первый вопрос, Pzmc Cash планируется как глобальная экосистема, на базе которой будут создаваться различные проекты на смарт-контрактах, например, децентрализированные банки, децентрализированные приложения. И с каждым годом широта этих проектов и количество будет только расти, и использование платформ будет увеличиться.
As I have already mentioned when I was answering the first question, the Pzmc Cash is going to become the global ecosystem. It is going to be based on smart contracts, on decentralized banks, and so on and so forth. And it is going only just to expand. The next question. What is your global plan for the development? In which countries, rather, do you plan expansion this year?
Повторюсь, опять же, как мы уже отвечали, в первую очередь нас интересует рынок Азии и Латинской Америки. Первые страны, куда мы планируем выйти, это Мексика, Китай, Корея, Вьетнам и страны СНГ.
As I have already mentioned, we are interested first of all in the Asian market, in Latin America, and the first countries where we are going to go are Mexico, China, Korea, Vietnam, and CIS countries. The next question. Can you tell a little more about your partnership with Ivan Pay, please?
По поводу партнерства с Ivan Pay, мы заключили его, и Ivan Pay — это криптопроцессинг, который работает с вендинговыми аппаратами по всему миру. На данный момент у них более 60 точек по Азии, то есть в основном это Гонконг, Китай, Сингапур. А в дальнейшем они планируют также иметь огромное количество вендинговых аппаратов и точек по всей Европе. Я не могу сейчас назвать их партнера очень крупного, но это будет большой и приятный сюрприз. И во всех этих точках можно будет расплачиваться за товары и услуги с помощью криптовалюты Pzmc Cash. Более того, в будущем они планируют то, что через эти же вендинговые аппараты можно будет не только расплачиваться, но и, собственно говоря, совершать покупку криптовалюты с помощью кредитной карты, ну, либо дебетовой.
Hey guys, I'm sorry. Hi, this is Max. I have some issue with my mic, and I would like to speak about some technical device and technical things. Can I?
Yes, you can.
Hi, Stas. So my name is Max, and I'm CTO. So let me talk about our team. And so in cryptocurrency and in a crypto vault, we have started in 2011, and so the first bitcoins, etc., on a notebook, and times and times we try to in crypto vault, and so professionally we started 2 years ago in 2017. As many people, but we started to develop in crypto. Few blockchain, few analytic service, services, etc. Pzmc project, and we develop new blockchain for you guys. And I have a couple questions about our network. What will be the commission for transaction in the network? So commission for the first 6 months or 1 year will be 0.1 Pzmc in every transaction. So if you want to make a transaction to another one, or you want stake, unstake your sum for receive reward, it will be always 0.9, 0.1. I'm sorry. That do we have another question, Angelica?
Yes, we have one more question which was answered but was not translated yet. If you please, I will translate the answer first regarding the iEvent Pay first, and then I will ask the questions which have just appeared. As I have already mentioned, we have the partnership with iEvent Pay, which is the crypto vending machine, and also it has 60 trading points all over the globe, including Hong Kong, China, Singapore. And this is a vending machine. It has the European partner as well. Now, I cannot name this partner for now, but still it is going to be present in Europe too. And as far as I know, they are going to make the opportunity to pay with cards everywhere in future. So we have one more question.
Я хочу немного добавить по этому вопросу по поводу партнерства с iEvent Pay.
I would like to add a little bit about the partnership with iEvent Pay.
В ближайшем будущем мы выпустим в своих социальных сетях несколько видеороликов, как технически вы можете использовать PZM Cash в их вендинговых аппаратах. И также я хочу добавить о том, что iEvent Pay является партнером Binance, то есть через их вендинговые аппараты вы точно так же можете купить что-либо, товары и услуги, например, за всем известное BNB. И это партнерство одно из тех, которые выделил CZ, например, у себя в Твиттере. Также, что является немаловажным, в ближайшее время у iEvent Pay будут партнерства, которые будут использовать их как криптопроцессинг не в офлайн-точках, а в онлайн-магазинах, интернетах и так далее, что тоже очень сильно распространит использование PZM Cash и не только.
And I would like to add regarding the iEvent Pay the following thing. In the near future, it is going to go to social media. And soon on the social media, we will publish the way you can use PZM Cash in their vending machines. It means that it will be possible to buy something in their vending machines using PZM Cash. Besides, iEvent Pay deals with Binance, and it will be also soon possible to buy something at their machines too for BNB. Besides, we need to mention that CZ also mentioned in his Twitter the same thing. Besides, soon iEvent Pay will get some partners who are going to use their processing capacity also for online shops. So the next question. Stas, can I have a couple of insights about the listing? When is the listing on the first exchange, and which is the largest exchange in the plans?
Меня слышно?
No.
Hey guys,
Hey.
Stas have
Слышно?
yeah.
Слышно?
Yes.
О, good. По поводу инсайдов на бирже и листинге. К сожалению, я не могу раскрывать вам точных дат. Единственное, что я могу сказать вам, что это будет очень скоро.
Regarding insights regarding exchanges and listings, I cannot actually disclose some specific dates, and the only thing which I can say now is that it's going to be quite soon. And the next question.
Это не все. No, это не все. На данном этапе мы уже определились с биржей, на которой будет происходить первый листинг, и как это быстро произойдет, это уже зависит от технического отдела самой биржи, не от нас.
For now, we have already determined the exchanges where we are going to make a listing. So we know them. And regarding the timing, regarding how soon it's going to happen, this depends on the technical part of the very exchange. It doesn't depend on us. The next question. As far as I understand, it is the main interest for users is still mining. What will determine the profitability for each user?
Я могу попросить повторить вопрос еще раз?
As far as I understand, the main interest for users is still mining. What will determine the profitability for each user?
Не совсем согласен, что главная привлекательность Pzmc Cash является постмайнинг, потому что на что делаем упор мы и сами команда, это то, что мы создаем большую глобальную экосистему, в которой вам будет удобно использовать в разных странах мира, оплачивать за товары и услуги, и на базе которой будет создано большое количество приложений, банков, обменников и так далее, что точно так же упростит вам многие будничные процессы в вашей жизни.
I actually do not agree that the main interest is just the post mining. Our task is to create a global ecosystem, which will also provide for you with the opportunity to pay for different things in a convenient way.
Постмайнинг – это всего лишь награда, которая предусмотрена системой для пользователей, которые верят в проект и активно помогают ему развиваться и используют его.
Post-mining is just the reward which is provided by the system for those users who trust in this project and help it to develop successfully. The next question is for TCO.
So what question?
What Asian partners are you negotiating with?
What is it? So we have a few in a business and in technical cooperation, but I can't say I can't name them because so right now we are in negotiation and it's take a time. And but I think that in next couple of months we will on our social and YouTube channel we will promote it, and I think you will be very, very happy about that.
Next question. Hello, please talk about your team. When will you launch your blockchain?
In advance, a little bit, I already talked about our team. We have 5 developers here and one CTO and one project manager. Everybody so it's different country and in which situation of COVID. So we talk like everybody in IT by Zoom, Slack, etc. And so we cooperate like last few months. We prepared to launch our blockchain, and last couple of weeks we test very hard all the model of our blockchain, so reward system, forging, nodes for exchange for you guys, etc. So we work hard, we sleep 4-5 hours in a day, and I think that next week we will launch everything, and you will be able to transfer and stake and use our blockchain as you want. So thank you. Next.
The next question, what systems and dApps can be connected to PZM Cash? When do you plan to release this option?
So if we talk about dApps like from the technical side, I think that it will be a lot. So right now in Crypto Vault, the most usable dApps is Casino. It's what is it? It's exchange. It's DeFi. And I think that in a few months, in a few years, it will be possible because we would like to have smart contracts and it give to DeFi work on our blockchain for dApps like Casino. In our plan to make a side chain, it's not the main blockchain, so it's side chain, and dApps will be able to use side chain for them self. And I think that in a few months you will see all things that we do right now and we prepare, and I think you will be happy.
And the next question for the CEO and team, what will happen to the volatility of this coin in this case? And how are you going to ensure the liquidity of the coin for many years to come?
About liquidity and volatility, I think it's a question for Stas right now.
Окей, меня слышно?
Yes.
Good. Наша основная задача в этом направлении – это получить максимальное географическое распространение, максимальное количество пользователей и максимальное количество различных приложений, о которых уже здесь шла речь, которые будут использовать нашу платформу для своего создания. И чем больших успехов мы добьемся в этом направлении, чем будет больше спрос большего количества людей на нашу монету, и, соответственно, будет больше ликвидность, и курс будет более устойчивый. Это то, на что мы делаем основной упор. И это самое честное и естественное с любой точки зрения, как финансовой, так и технической, решение этой проблемы.
Our task for now is to get the maximum geographic spread and coverage, and our task is to involve as many users as possible and to involve as many apps that will use our platform for their development as possible too. And that is why the higher our success is, the higher the demand on our coins. Thus, the liquidity will be high too. I believe that's a fair approach. The next question to CEO and the team. What do you think has allowed you to achieve such cool results? What is your secret of success?
Если я правильно понял вопрос, то, по моему мнению, по мнению нашей команды, секрет успешности такого проекта– это глобальные цели, довольно быстрая скорость работы касательно любого направления в развитии проекта и прозрачность и искренность со своим комьюнити в первую очередь, соблюдение сроков и обещаний, которые даются. Я считаю, что именно в этом секрет успеха такого проекта.
The questions for CTO. How the mining function will work? Will we receive rewards daily?
So, thank you for this question. Yes. How it works? So you save some sum in your wallet, and you want to make a stake for reward. So you make stake with sum of stake that you send it. Go to temp wallet, temp address in this wallet. And when new day is start, so the maximum blocks of day is generated, it will be start your sum from temp, go to stake address, and every 24 hours it will reward you on your stake address, and so you will have a stake and a reward. In any time, you can unstake any sum what you want and receive in main address and use your money, transfer, etc. So like this. We will show you in the video because right now we try to make a very big video instruction how it's work, and I think you will understand because it's UX UI wallets, and from the first time I think you will be ready to use it with no problem.
And one more question to CTO. How long will a transaction take to be confirmed?
So every block we create every 10 seconds. So you will need 10 seconds to wait for make confirm for your transaction, and in 1 minute you will have six confirm, and in all in our blockchain network. So it will be fast, really fast.
One more question to CTO. How many coins do I need to start forging? How can I download the node?
So you will need to download the node from our GitHub. I think it will be available on our GitHub not for the first month, but I think in next couple months you will be able to download nodes, and you will be need 100,000 coins for start forging, as we think right now, because we do mathematical models, and right now we have in the system I think 90 million coins, and I think that for decentralization, it will be good to have start from 100,000, because it's it's less decentralization. If in our network we have 101 voting nodes, and you will be need to have more amount on your wallet for a B in this 101 dealing nodes. So how to explain? wait a minute, how to explain? You will be need more money, more coins in your wallet with 101 notes of notes. I think it's clear. So the next one.
The next question to CTO2. Why have you chosen Lisk?
So why? Okay, we tried to explore a few blockchains like EOS, like Neo, like Ethereum. It's not history about Bitcoin, and as we see, it's open source. It's a big community. It's a few years of development in Lisk. It's very UX UI wallets, and but it's a proof of stake, and so it was understandable for us for take this blockchain because it's a JavaScript and it gives you more potential for development in future for dApps because we have a lot involved developers of JavaScript. It's not Golang or another language programming. I'm sorry, and I think that so for us and for our development, it was one of decisions that we make to take a risk because it's simple for everybody. It's simple to make what we want with a referable system in a core blockchain. It's not a script on another site. It's already in blockchain. And so as I think Lisk was one of the best decisions that we make for now.
The next question to the CEO and the team. How many people are working on Pzm team?
I think it's a question for Stanislav, but as I say, in our dev team, it's already seven person who work on blockchain. We have marketing and PR team. It's so Stanislav, go.
Максим сказал все верно, то есть примерное количество сотрудников в нашем штате порядка 15 человек. Но, как видно из нашей работы, то, что мы распространяемся в разных странах, мы используем также, помимо людей, которые работают у нас в штате, различных подрядчиков. Это и местные, и локальные команды по пиару и маркетингу, потому что это лучшее решение по распространению именно в какой-то конкретной, на каком-то конкретном рынке или стране. И также мы используем других подрядчиков по каким-либо направлениям. Штатных сотрудников около 15 человек.
Maxim was right to say that we have about 15 employees who are full-time employees. Besides, we also work with different companies, and sometimes we use some people who are not employed in our company. We also use subcontractors for PR, for marketing, for instance, which is very convenient and beneficial when you want to enter or some market or some country. But as we have already mentioned, the full-time specialists are 15. The next question for the CEO and the team. What about your listing? A lot of people are waiting for it to buy more coins. What exchanges have you chosen for it?
Мне кажется, этот вопрос мы уже, в принципе, отвечали. Я не могу ничего сказать нового. Все, что я хотел сказать, я могу по поводу листинга, то, что будет в ближайшее время, и это зависит уже не от нас, я это уже сказал.
I believe that we have already answered this question, and the only thing which I can say again is that it's going to happen quite soon, and it doesn't depend on us.
I would like to say too. So Guys, you need to know that Exchange do not like when project talk about that before listing. Because we have a few exchange that interested in our project, and we try to make our cooperation so fast and hard, and for become that listing is will be over and you will be happy, but right now we can't to talk about that. Really sorry, but so all the projects do the same thing because so Exchange do not like that.
The next question to the CEO and the team. Do you plan to add payments for block creating?
Yes, it's a question for me, I think. We have two reward system. One is stake, and so like proof of stake, but we don't have a delegates. So you don't need to vote for delegates for that they make a blocks. We have another one system that so like forging, like mining blocks, and you will need to download our nodes and have more than the last 101 nodes in a list for a coin on your wallet, and you will be able to receive all the fee in a block that you created. So the fee will be right now 0.1, and all transaction it can be 115 in one block. All transaction that that will be in this block, you will have all the fee for this block.
The next question is for the CEO and the team. What about marketing? Do you plan to collaborate with bloggers?
Я так понимаю, вопрос, наверное, в первую очередь для меня. Мы используем самые разные, всевозможные инструменты маркетинга. Будем ли мы продвигаться на каком-либо рынке через лидеров мнений, блогеров? Да, на данный момент времени это очень хороший инструмент, который работает. Да, мы будем это использовать.
Actually, we use all marketing tools which are possible to be used. And regarding your question, if we are going to promote on some kind of a market using bloggers, the answer is yes. Yes, we are going to do this because it is a very efficient tool and we are going to use it. The next question for CEO and the team. Do you plan to share your Web3 JS technology to other platforms?
So it's a question for me, I think. Web3.js allows the teams and over website and developers to have to talk, to connect, to talk with our blockchain. How it's work? If someone do not know, if you have like a MetaMask or a Tron wallet in your Chrome browser, you can come in Airbnb, for example. If we will have our connection in the future, as I hope, maybe, but not sure. So you will be able to enter in this website with our wallet in your Chrome browser, and to use and pay, and so for login for a pay, use our wallet with Web3 JS technology. So it's very cool technology. It's already work with MetaMask, with Tron. I think another few blockchains try to make it right now. And I think, as I see, it's very good technology for use it. So I think, yes, we have a plan to share our technology with our platform. Sure.
The next question is for Stas. Why Pzmc? What are the strong points at your point of view? Convince me more than I am convinced now.
На самом деле вся эта информация есть в white paper, все очень просто, потому что мы написаны на прозрачном блокчейне, проект полностью децентрализированный. Все комиссии происходят очень быстро, очень недорого. Уже поднимался вопрос о том, что в сравнении с тем же биткоином и эфиром сейчас это будет гораздо быстрее, дешевле и удобнее.
And actually, all such information is contained in the white paper. And we have already mentioned that our project is based on the transparent blockchain. It is decentralized. It is much cheaper than before, even comparing to Bitcoins and so on and so forth. And it's going to be more convenient.
Добавлю еще немного. Мы специально изначально выбрали тактику о том, что мы сначала стараемся что-то делать, а потом рассказывать о том, что мы сделали своему комьюнити. Поэтому на многие вопросы, которые вы сейчас спрашиваете, мы не можем вам ответить сейчас. Вы поймете все это со временем, когда кейсов распространения Pzmc Cash будет становиться все больше, и все вопросы будут отходить сами собой. Нам не придется ничего вам рассказывать, вы просто в этом убедитесь.
We have selected the following tactics. We have decided that first we are going to do something, and only after that we will tell this to our community. And soon all things will change themselves, and you will understand and you will make sure yourself in what is going to happen.
Thank you to everybody. I think we will end to Ama. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, thank you. Thank you very much. In next few months, I hope we will talk to you every week or every 2 weeks, and we will post a few videos with instruction. We will talk with you in our special channels for devs, where you will be able to ask us everything you will need to know about our blockchain and for development. And we welcome you in our network. And I hope next week we will blow all the crypto world with our blockchain. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.